welcome back, welcome back. So from this minute I get up here, I already know what time it is. We are back at the hospital and yeah, so we're back at the hospital now. The other day we have to do an ultrasound and thing. I'll try to insert that clip here. So we did the ultrasound and we were notified that Raje definitely gonna need a third cycle. So this is the third cycle, and yeah, it begins today. We're praying and hoping and just trusting God that he would not need a third cycle, but well, I guess this is God's plan, this is God's will, and as a result, he's doing the third cycle. So we're back in our room. For those of you who have been following for a while, you know that this is our place. Yeah, this is how we normally put it. So chemo already started. Let me show you. I keep saying chemo, but it's immunotherapy already started and it's running presently. Is out for the count. You know that this medication can be very difficult on him. Basically, it's breaking down your body and things, so it is a lot. I am freezing cold, so I was able to use my blankets because I'm freezing cold. He is really hot because said multiple times this treatment room is really cold, but for him it's really hot. The temperature is sweating and I'm cold, but because of the medication, his core body temperature goes up, right? Yeah, and also it helps to minimize the germs and bacteria and so that is the reason why the room is this cold. So yeah, this is day one. Let's go. So one thing's for certain and two things for sure is that this hospital them are gonna feed you. So this is Raje's dinner, right? So you have vegetable fruit, local fries, rice and chicken, a roti and a soup. Them I go feed you, and then this is my, they're not too care about me like that, but them still give me a little rice, my chicken there below that. But trust me, you see where your money go in terms of food. They give you a balanced diet right through, and then 3 meals a day and a snack. Hence why I'm this big. I'm lying. I'm this big because I'm indisciplined. 48 hours into treatment. Listen, I am so exhausted. So exhausted. I've not slept in 3 days. Just get like an hour here or 2 hours there, but I've not really slept in 3 days. Tired. I'm exhausted. So now I'm waiting on Raje to pass stool. Then send off the stool for sampling, and then the immunotherapy for today can start. Me and them a lock, and they will have coffee up there, some love. What? Well, yeah. My life now feels like 1, 2, 3, you know, sure? Yeah. So, yeah. Something absolutely amazing happened, and I have to share it with you guys. So, Jamaica Ballers, our Best Dressed Chicken, partnered with Running Events, and they donated to our rent. Alright, so you guys know that I told you guys that I basically just came here with 1 month rent and prior, right? So thanks be to God that, because you know, I'm not sure if I said it before, but it cost $1 million Jamaican for our airplane, for our flight, our tickets, right? Cost $1 million Jamaican for just tickets alone, right? So a lot of the money that I had got tied up in. So even though the goal was surpassed by $2,000, a lot of the money got tied up in transit. So what happened is that, so after, well, that's a whole heap of so. Alright, so I paid in the hospital there $87, and I had $2,000 left back after from what was raised from the GoFundMe. That $2,000 was used to secure my first month's rent, right? Money that was donated like to my NCD and to Cashapp and everything there. That is what I used to make up my $1 million to pay my fare to get here. So I basically came here with the 1 month's rent. So Jamaica Boilers and Running Events partnered together, and they put on a 5K race, and that 5K race, the profit would be turned over today to my husband. Well, we're not gonna get a physical cash. They just would like a handover ceremony, and that $1.3 million, which is roughly 7,000 US dollars, will be paid over for our accommodations. Look at God. Look at God. God is so good. That is, trust me, it's a dream come true. Prayer answered. I'm telling you all the time. So even though you know things rough and we're going through a lot, answered prayers. We're living in answered prayers. So just have to just continue to give God thanks and just go and push through. Cause yeah, that is so amazing. So my husband is off taking pictures, and so when it me check. You know, you have to do the PR part of it, so he's doing that now, and yeah, let me insert some clips. So I asked him to take videos, and he never take not one video he never take, but I have some pictures. I hope that you guys saw the pictures that I inserted. But yeah, so we do have our rent, which is amazing. Hello. Thank you. Finish. Normal finish. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Alright, so after which, no, we don't have to think about that. So we just can just be okay, because you guys know that I've been on TikTok, you know, doing live streams, trying my best to ensure that we can afford food and, you know, just basic needs that we do have here. So that was good that we don't have to worry about the rent anymore, because rent paid, yes. So the next 4 months paid in full. So yeah, the girl don't have to worry about a cent of rent. Yeah, so that's good. So that's how I said, just pick up God. You don't know how we do it. Pick up God straight, because it bathroom. Sorry? Okay. Okay, I'll tell him.
Son? No, something. It's a festival for music. It's a music festival. It's a Jamaican music festival. Blood turn black. Pull it. Completely. So this one back in. This gone door. This door. Just look at it. Days.
That gone completely gone. So the doctor didn't come, tell the nurse not to take this out of my hand, write up the discharge papers, and then just discharge. Cold door. Yeah, what kind of person is he? Morning person or night person?
Morning.
Man, I'm a morning person, you know, but there's some perks tonight.
The night owl.
Oh, you a night owl? Oh,
Well-
yeah, I want.
I just want to take the time out and say thank you so much to every single person on here that's watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate all of you for loving us and rocking with us, praying with us, and keeping us grounded as we go through this journey. We love and appreciate every single one of you guys. Please remember to don't leave without your like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if you have something to say, something nice and positive, that is. Thank you so much again. God bless you all.
Okay, ma'am, he's doing okay. Tomorrow you go, right?
Yes. Okay, thank you.
Bye bye. Take sister.
I dozed off for a second and then wake up to check on Raje and I realized that his hand started swelling. So I called the nurse and she came and started to tend to him, trying to see exactly how bad it was. But I realized that the medication seeped under his skin on this hand and it has already seeped under the other hand because his veins are so tiny and his skin is so thin from everything that is happening that this happened. So Raje got chemo burn on both hands. So both hands get burned. He's just recovering now. Nothing much to say, trust me. Nothing to say on this.